Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm very excited because I'm going to unbox my first advent calendar for 2023, and this one is by The Body Shop. First of all, look at the beautiful packaging. It's all festive, all it's screaming like holiday, and here is written, a gift of chance for you, for communities and for the planet. This Christmas, inside every drawer and every box are small sparks of positive change. They are moments of self-love, moments to reconnect with your beautiful body. They are a fair trade for the artisans, producers and smallholder farmers in our community fair trade programmers and around the world. Discover more change-making stories for you inside this advent calendar. You have this absolutely gorgeous artwork. First we have the story, the self-acceptance, and then you have self-love and self-discovery. And here is another message. Thank you for being a change maker. This Christmas we're celebrating the small acts of positive change inside each of your treats. And the calendar has 2 drawers, and also it has on top here. So this advent calendar, actually, it was kindly sent to me from Body Shop, but it wasn't sent for the YouTube content. But of course, I wanted to share with my lovely YouTube community what contains. So this advent calendar is the medium size. They have released 3 sizes for this year, and this one retails for 99 euros if you are in Europe, or 125 US dollars in the USA. And I will pop on the screen the name of the advent calendar because I cannot recall it right now. But I don't want to spend too much time with talking because we are all excited to see what we have inside. I'm going directly to day number 1. Okay, this is the day number 1. Our community fair trade partner Teya Women's Association in Ghana provide us with a shea butter in some of our treats. The shea butter is made with care and passion using traditional methods passed down from mother to daughter from generation. And inside we have a shea butter hand cream. So I've tried a lot of Body Shop products. I'm actually waiting for an order to be delivered because I purchased a few things from them. They had sale, but I never had a hand cream from them. So this is a deluxe size. You have 30 ml. Hand balm for dry skin. Nourishing, 96 hours of nourishing. Let's see how nourishing it is because I washed my hands, but I did not apply any cream. It smells lovely. I think I might have had the body butter from this range. Love it. Smells divine and it's indeed very, very nourishing. Day number 2. Now it will be very nice to chase for the days. Yeah, day number 2 is up here. So if you are wondering why I've changed the filming location, this is the reason, because I wanted to have my advent calendar sit and be able to show you what I have inside. I will just touch it to the camera to read if you are interested, because if I'm spending the time for each package to read you, this video is going to be 2 hours long. So it is the community trade fair trade aloe vera from Campeche, Mexico. And here we have a soothing sheet mask with aloe. Alright, so this is a full size. Moving to day number 3, which is also up here. Did you know our pioneering global community fair trade program has been going strong since 1987? No, I didn't know. So here we have something small here. Oh, I wanted so badly to try this one and it was always out of stock. So this is the Chamomile Sumptuous Makeup Cleansing Butter that I heard such great things about this, and it's a good size to have for travel. How much you get here? 20 ml. It also has a light scent to it, or maybe I feel it because my hand it's still preserving the scent from the hand cream. Day number 4. Okay, day number 4. All the products in our advent calendar not only deliver real benefits to your beautiful body, but also help you practice some all-important self-love. And there we have it. This is the strawberry shower gel. No. Yeah, it's shower gel. I have had this, but in a jumbo size. It smells absolutely divine. I love me some strawberry. And you have here 60 ml. It's really good for travel. I'm planning a 2-day trip, so maybe I will pack this with me. Not that I'm planning, I'm leaving in a few hours. Day number 5. Something more light. Invite your friends over to pamper, reconnect and relax. This is a lip balm, also from the range. No, it's from the almond. Almond is from the almond. Say almond. Almond milk range. For dry sensitive lips, this is a full size. Also a bit scented. Another product from the Body Shop that I haven't tried as of now. Going with the day number 6. Ooh. Day number 6, it's large. From the community fair trade aloe vera in Mexico to recycled paper gift bags and boxes from Nepal. We source ingredients and accessories from experts around the world. This is a soap, also from the almond milk range. This is a cleansing face and body soap. Body bar with almond milk. 100 grams, so this is a full size. Very easy to travel, so you can use it for your face and for your body, and you save for packaging, for space in your luggage. Day number 7. Okay, I assume that it's down here. Yes. If you want, you can take a pause and read it. I hope it's in focus. And we have a Shea shower cream. Shea from Shea Butter. That is similar to the one that we had earlier, in the scent strawberry. Excited about this? Then number 8. Collect litter at our local party or community space and then recycle as appropriate. Ooh, inside we have a tiny little brush. This is handy if you are going to travel. You can use it for foundation or for concealer. Why not? You can definitely use this for concealer. Maybe I will pack it with me right now because I haven't packed my makeup yet, even though for 2 days I don't want to grab too many makeup products this time around. Day number 9, spread the love. Think up a small act of kindness you can do for someone today. Purifying glow mask from the Himalayan charcoal range. I never had anything from this range. This is what it looks like. I can use this for sure. I love wash off masks, so this is how much size? 15 ml. We have reached to day number 10. We have something heavy. We can hope it is a full-size product. Our community fair trade tea tree oil is sustainably sourced in Kenya. I think it's a shampoo, but I might be wrong. Yes, this is the tea tree gel shampoo or shampooing gel for oily hair and scalp, and this is a full size, guys, 250 ml. Unfortunately, I think I have had this. No, I had a green tea. Okay, I haven't tried this one because my scalp doesn't go well with the Body Shop products. I find that it builds up and I get more dandruff that I want, but I'm definitely going to try it and report you back because I love trying new shampoos, and especially tea tree. We know that it helps for oily skin and also for dandruff. If we are still here, day number 11, all our products in your advent calendar not only deliver real benefits to your beautiful body, but also help you to practice some all-important self-love. And here is another travel size shower gel from the range Avocado, green and creamy. Oh, it's so creamy! Look at the consistency, guys. It's whitish. Day number 12. Okay, here we have a body butter, maybe the Shea one. The strawberry, I might have had this, I'm not very sure. This is 50 ml and this is the strawberry body butter. I absolutely love their body butter. I don't know why I'm showing to you because you cannot smell it, you just can see the consistency, but this is very thick, as you can tell. It's like butter. You can put it on the slice of bread, on your bread if you want so, but it's not recommended to eat it. But from the way it smells, you can definitely, or at least you feel tempted to do so. Day number 13 now. It's something large, but it's not heavy. I will let you read. It's a very nice loofah. I think it's cotton. Yeah, we replaced our plastic bath lilies with Remy, a natural plant-based fiber. So we have a lovely loofah, and we are ready to move to day number 14. Oh, this is conditioner, but it's in a small size. The sheer conditioner for dry to very dry hair, prone to breakage, intense repair, with vegan silk protein. So I assume if we have the conditioner, we might also have the shampoo. Moving to day number 15 should be down, not down, in the middle. Okay, this is another face mask. This is the Chinese ginseng and rice. Oh, this sounds lovely. I never had a ginseng mask. And it's white. So can you imagine how you will look? You will be like a ghost with this mask. So this is also a wash off mask and has 15 ml. Day number 16. And this is a hand cream. No, it's a vitamin C. Oh, I love this. Vitamin C glow boosting moisturizer. Hydrating activator. Ah, no, this is with, I'm French. Enriched with camu berry extract. And you have 20 ml. It's a great size. I'm excited to try everything vitamin C related. I haven't tried much, if at all, any skincare from Body Shop. That was day 16. Now into day 17. I assume it might be also a small size of a body shower or shampoo maybe. Yeah, this is the pink grapefruit shower gel. I also never tried this. Oh, it smells like you have just peeled off some grapefruit. The scent is really real. Okay, and this is what it was on the box. Day number 18 now. So we have another sheet mask. This is a vitamin C sheet mask. Love this. Glow sheet mask. I never tried this. Also enriched with camu berry extract. So you can use this vitamin C and on top add the moisturizer. And day 19, which is beside, also on the same tray. What is this? Lip Butter for dry lips in coconut. Oh, it smells so nice. I love me some coconut. Moving to day number 20. British Rose. I just had this full size of shower gel in my empties, so absolutely love it. Shower gel British Rose, floral and refreshing, 20 ml. So I'm not sure how many. I think we had at least 4 body showers, if not 5, in this size. I love British Rose, and Turkish Rose are my favorite, and also the one from Damask. Okay, I think that was 20. I hope I'm not wrong. Now to day 21. I think it might be another body butter. Oh no, it's a body scrub. Also love their body scrubs. And I haven't had this. So this is the avocado rich and smooth exfoliating creamy body scrub. It smells like avocado, even though avocado doesn't have smell. I think it doesn't have. But it has some fragrance to it, which makes it more luxurious and more pampering. Day number 22. Mango seed oil. What could be here? I never tried. Maybe this is a new range. This is the hand balm in mango. 96-hour nourishing moisture. I don't know how you can achieve 96 hours of moisturizing if you wash your hands. It's not that overpowering, and I feel that it's a more fresh scent compared to the shea butter. Day number 23. Yeah, it's a sheet mask. This is the vitamin E sheet mask. Quench sheet mask. Suitable for all skin types. I love the pink details here on the top, on the bottom. The last 2 days are here. So this is day number 24, or Christmas Eve. The community fair trade almond milk in today's treat is sourced from Spain. Oh, I love Spain. It's a body butter with almond milk. I don't think so. Or I have had it, yeah. Just in different packaging. Just love the scent. Again, why I'm showing to you this? I just want to show you the consistency of the product and the color. And the last day, day number 25, or the Christmas day, it's something big. I suppose it is a conditioner. Be the chance every day. Happy Christmas. What did we get here? Oh, it's not the conditioner like I thought. It's a cleansing concentrate. I am in a need of a new cleanser, so I'm happy. This is for sure a full size. Cleansing concentrate enriched with leontropic acid and pollution clearing, so also helps with the pollution. 100 ml. So we are ending in a great note and with a full-size product. So there we have it, guys. This is the Body Shop Advent Calendar for 2023, the medium size that retails for 99 euros, 25 days of goodies. Now let me know what is your opinion about this Advent Calendar. It's something that you are interested on, or you're just thinking that, nah, this is not for me, it's something that I'm going to pass on. From my point of view, I think if you want to try a bunch of products and see what you like and then go purchase the full size, this is a great opportunity. But I would prefer to have more full size products. For example, I would prefer to have a full size of a body butter, or a full size of a body shower, which I'm very much loving. And also what I haven't seen in this Advent Calendar, I haven't seen any body yogurt, which is also a product that I'm very much enjoying. Other than that, I'm loving it because I'm a big fan of Body Shop, and everything it's inside of this Advent Calendar, it's going to have a good use in my stash. This is everything for today. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. And a special thank you to Body Shop for sending me this lovely Advent Calendar. And other than that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Do not ever forget that the most beautiful makeup is your own smile. And I'm going to see you really soon with another video. Bye!